Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring how energy-efficient heat pumps are compared to traditional HVAC systems, specifically for homeowners in Coachella Valley. So, what is a heat pump? It's a device that can both heat and cool your home by transferring heat. In summer, it acts like an air conditioner, and in winter, it pulls heat from the outside air into your home. Heat pumps are rated by their seasonal energy efficiency ratio for cooling and heating seasonal performance. Factor for heating. Higher ratings mean better efficiency. Modern heat pumps have SEER ratings between 14 and 20, and HSPF ratings between 8 and 10. Traditional HVAC systems, on the other hand, consist of a separate air conditioner and furnace. Air conditioners have SEER ratings similar to heat pumps, but furnaces are rated by their annual fuel utilization efficiency. High-efficiency furnaces have AFU ratings of 90% or higher, but still use more energy because they burn fuel to create heat. Now, why are heat pumps advantageous in Coachella Valley? First, they offer year-round efficiency, providing both heating and cooling from a single unit. They're especially efficient in our climate, maintaining consistent performance throughout the year. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, heat pumps can reduce electricity use for heating by around 50% compared to electric resistance heating. Heat pumps are also environmentally friendly, as they don't rely on burning fossil fuels, which reduces your home's carbon footprint. Performance in extreme heat is a common concern, but modern heat pumps are designed to function efficiently, even in high temperatures. Choosing a unit with a high SEER rating ensures it can handle Coachella Valley's summer heat. While the initial cost of a heat pump can be higher, the long-term savings on energy bills often justify the investment. Plus, there are often rebates and incentives available from local utility companies, which can offset the initial cost. Homeowners in Coachella Valley can save up to $1,000 on installation costs through these programs. Maintenance for heat pumps involves regular cleaning of filters, coils, and fans, and ensuring refrigerant levels are correct. With proper care, a heat pump can last 15 years or more. If you're considering switching to a heat pump, start by assessing your current system's efficiency and consulting with an HVAC professional to determine the best options for your home. Look into available rebates and incentives and set up a regular maintenance schedule. In conclusion, heat pumps offer an energy-efficient and environmentally friendly solution for both heating and cooling in Coachella Valley. By transferring heat instead of generating it, they provide consistent efficiency year-round, helping you stay comfortable without excessive energy costs. Contact Anthem today for a free consultation and see how a heat pump can benefit your home. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips, and leave any questions or comments below. See you next time.